We have already studied about how to represent a number on a whole number on a number line. Okay. In this class,
Yes, sir.
we will study about how to perform
Two
perform mathematical
Yes,
operation
sir.
mathematical operation mathematical
Hello.
operation on number line.
Yes, sir. On number line.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have a study about this or not?
Yes, sir. Study.
We already study. Tell me, what is mathematical operation? Naman?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, what is mathematical operation?
Mathematical operation.
Yeah.
सर जो हम लोग मैथ्स में हम लोग जो करते
हाँ,
हैं
क्या
उसे
होता है? अंश, टेल मी.
सर मैं प्रीवियस क्लास में नहीं था
Addition,
सर एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन डिवाइड
subtraction,
मल्टीप्लिकेशन
multiplication, division. Okay. These are
डिवीजन
called mathematical operation. Okay. Is it clear? So we will learn about how to perform addition and subtraction on a number line. Okay.
यस
We will also study about
यस
multiplication as well as division on a number line. Okay. And these all are for whole number. Okay. Whole number. Also, what is whole number? Ans, what is whole number?
सर जैसे 2 होल 1/4 होता है ना सर
2 whole 1/4.
यस सर
Yes. Here 2 is a whole number.
यस सर
Or 2 whole 1/4. These are whole number.
यस सर
No. Which one? 2 or 1/4? Yeah.
2
Combination of 2 whole 1/4 is a whole number.
यस
Now tell me, which one is whole number?
2
2 is a whole number. Okay.
यस
Naman,
हेलो
what is the definition of whole number?
यस सर
What is the definition
Hello.
of whole number? Naman, when I ask you any
definition of the
question,
whole
yeah, tell me,
hello
what is definition of whole number?
what is the definition of a whole number
Yeah.
a whole number
Naman, after the
hello
end of this class, okay, you give me your contact number and I will talk to your father. Okay. Okay. What I have studied, you not go through it at your home. This is not the right way of study. Okay. What is whole number? All counting number.
all countable number together
All
without
counting number
zero all counting numbers together
together with
with zero
zero is called whole number. For
is
example,
called whole
0,
number
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4
and so on.
5 6
Okay, these are whole number. Now,
Sir.
answer, is it clear?
yes sir
And what is the counting number? 1,
1 2 3
2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are the counting number. Okay. If you
Yeah.
not know about this, you can go to the previous lecture. Okay, that is available on the YouTube. Okay.
yes
Okay. Now, in this class, we will study about how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on a number line, and these all are for whole number. Okay. First, we will look about the operation addition. Okay. ठीक है बेटा, एडिशन के बारे में देखेंगे. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेल मी, अगर 5 में हम 1 को ऐड करें, व्हाट विल द रिजल्ट? 6. Okay. Now I will draw the number line. Okay. You all know how to draw the number line?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we will only represent whole number on that number line. Okay. Only whole number is represented on the number line. And tell me, Naman, from where whole number is started?
0.
0. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Okay. These are the number line. Okay. Means to represent the whole number on the number line, we break this line in equal interval. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, tell me where 5 lies on the number line. If you
5?
want to represent 5 on a number line, what we will do?
Sir, एक बार.
If we want to represent 5 on number line, then what we have to do?
Sir,
From 0, we will move from 0.
to
From 0, we will move 5 units.
5 units.
Right.
Right.
Where we will move? From 0,
5
we will move
units,
5
right.
unit, right? That means
5 units.
starting
right.
from. And this distance is called 1 unit. Am I right or not? These
Yes.
distances are called
Yes.
1 unit. And these all these distances are equal because this line is break in equal interval. Okay.
Okay.
So from 0, we will move how much unit? Ans?
5.
5 unit. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit,
3
4
unit,
unit,
4 unit,
and this is the 5 unit.
5 unit.
This is the point on a number line which represent 5. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now look here. We have to add 1 in 5. Am I right or not?
Yes.
We will have to add 1 in 5. And what will the result?
Result.
Yes.
6. 6.
6. Okay. Tell me, 6 lie on the left or right of the 5? Tell me.
Right. Right. Right.
Right. Okay. So,
Right.
if you want to reach 6, then where we will move? We will move right of 5. Where we will move? Right of 5.
5.
Is it clear? And how much unit?
Yes, sir.
How much unit?
1 unit.
1 unit.
1.
Okay. From 5, we will move 1 unit. And this is the point which represent represent 6. Okay.
6.
In this way, we will perform addition on a number line. Is it clear?
Yes.
From here, what conclusion we will made? From here, what conclusion we will made? That if you want to perform addition operation, then you have to move towards right of that number. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. For addition operation, where we will move?
Right.
Right of that number. That means if we want to add 5, if you want to add 5, here 5 plus 1, if you want to add, if
5.
we want to add 1 in 5, then we have to move how much unit? 1 unit towards right. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
This is valid for the addition. Okay. Okay, for addition of whole number, we have to move right of that number.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Tell me, Ans, if
Yes, sir.
we want to add 2 in 8, then where on the number line it will represent?
Sir, we go 0 to 8 right.
Okay, 0 to 8 right. Matlab 8 unit we will move towards the right.
Right.
Okay, this is the point which represent
Yes.
8.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Now what we'll
Yes,
do?
sir.
What sign is here?
Yes, sir. Plus.
Plus means addition.
Yes, sir.
And for addition, where
Addition.
we have to move?
Sir,
For
right,
addition,
right.
where we have to move?
Right.
Right. How much unit? How much unit?
2 unit.
2. From where?
2 unit.
From where?
Right.
From where?
8.
8. Means we have to move 2 units from 8 towards right. 1 unit and 2 unit. What will the result?
10.
10. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please write it on your notebook. Naman, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat?
Hello.
Shall I repeat it?
Yes, sir.
I have to repeat it.
Sir, एक बार sir.
Okay. Naman, now tell me, if we want to add 3 in 3, okay? अगर हमको 3 में 3 ऐड करना हो, ठीक है? सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? 3 को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ऑन नंबर लाइन.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
अब बताओ 3 नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट 3 ऑन नंबर लाइन?
सर हम लोग को 0 से राइट की तरफ जाना पड़ेगा.
कितना यूनिट?
हाँ?
How much unit? How much
Sir,
unit we will move? 3 unit from the right. How much unit? 3 unit. 1 unit,
3,
2 unit,
2 unit,
and 3 unit.
3 unit.
This is the point which represent
Yes, sir.
3 on number line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the point which represent 3 on number line. Now tell me, what is this operation called?
Huh? Hello.
What this mathematical operation called?
Mathematical operation.
Yeah. What is the sign here?
Hello.
What is the sign? I can hear you. What is the sign here? Look.
Yes, sir.
What?
Sign. एक मिनट. Hello.
Yeah, your sound is audible.
Okay.
Okay. I ask you, what is the
Yes,
sign
sir.
here?
Sir, plus का.
Plus ka means
Plus
addition.
Addition.
Tell me, for addition, where we will have to move?
Sir, right.
Right. Okay. From where?
Right.
From where? From where?
Addition.
कहाँ से मूव करेंगे बेटा? 3 से कितना यूनिट मूव करना है?
3
यूनिट. ये पॉइंट क्या है? 3 है.
3.
अब यहाँ से क्या करेंगे? 3 यूनिट किधर मूव करेंगे?
3 यूनिट आगे बढ़ेंगे.
आगे मतलब राइट. 1 यूनिट, 2 यूनिट, 3 यूनिट. And this point represent 6 means
6.
this is the way to
Answer
represent 3
6.
plus 3 on a number line. That means this is the way to represent addition on a number line.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat again?
No, sir. ठीक है.
Okay. Please write it.
Okay, sir.
Please write it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
COVID-19 on due.
Shall I continue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और आज एक नहीं आया तुम लोग का जो दोस्त है क्या जो रोज दिन आता था क्या नाम था उसका?
On Satish.
सतीश नहीं
Satish.
था? Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I erase?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after addition, we will study how to perform subtraction on a number line. Okay. What we will study? We will study how to perform subtraction on a number line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Subtraction on a number line.
Number line.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
First, tell me the first step. We will draw a number line. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Let this be a number line. And we have to represent whole number on a number line. And from where whole number will start? Whole number कहाँ से start होता है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And so on. Is it clear? Now tell me.
Yes.
10 minus 4. What will the result?
6.
Huh?
6.
6. Okay. First tell me what we will do. We have to represent 10 on the number line. I am right or not?
Yes. Yes.
How will we represent 10 on number line?
Sir, we move 0 to right 10.
Yes, we have to move
10 to right.
10 unit from the right. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3
2
unit,
unit, 3
4,
unit,
4
4 unit,
5, 6
5,
unit,
6,
7 unit,
7,
8 unit, 9 unit, 10 unit. Okay.
10
This is
unit.
the point represent 10 on number line. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? This is the point which represent 10 on a number line. Okay. After
Yes,
that,
sir.
tell me, we have to perform which operation? Subtraction. Okay. Which operation we have to perform?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Tell me, 10 minus 4. The result is 6. And tell me, from the 10, tell me 6 is on the right or on the left of the 10?
Sir, we move 4 unit to left.
Left. No, no. First tell me 6 lies on the left or right of 10?
Left.
Left. Naman, are you there?
Yes, sir. Left.
Okay.
Yes.
So after performing the subtraction operation, what we observe that when we subtract 4 from 10, then the result will 6. And this 6 will rise on the left of 10. Is it clear? That means for subtraction operation, we have to move towards where? Right or left?
Right. Left, sir. Hello.
Left. Okay. For addition, we have to move towards the right. But for the subtraction, we have to move towards the left. Now, how much we have to subtract from 10?
4.
4. That means from 10, we will move left. How much unit?
4.
Huh?
4.
1 unit, 2 unit,
2 unit,
3 unit,
3 unit,
and 4 unit.
4 unit.
This point represent 10
Yes.
minus 4, and that is equal to 6. Is it clear?
6. Yes. Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat it?
No.
Naman, tell me.
Yes,
If you want
sir.
to subtract 3.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
अगर हमको 3 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? नंबर लाइन पे करके बताओ बेटा।
नंबर लाइन पे, यस।
हाँ
सर 3 में से
1।
हेलो।
अरे
One.
स्क्रीन पे
तो
देखो
हम लोग
3 में से 1।
यस सर।
ठीक है, पहले क्या करेंगे?
सर पहले हम लोग को 3 में से 1 तो 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे 3 तक।
हाँ, ये पॉइंट क्या होगा? 3। उसके बाद
3, उसके 3 से 1 तक तो पता चल जाएगा। हेलो।
फ्रॉम 3 से किधर मूव करेंगे? हमको क्या करना है? 1
One.
सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है।
1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है तो 1 तक 1 पीछे आएंगे।
किधर मूव करेंगे? लेफ्ट और राइट?
लेफ्ट
मींस जहां पे होगा सब्ट्रैक्शन वहां कहां मूव करेंगे? लेफ्ट की ओर। हाउ मच यूनिट?
लेफ्ट में 1 यूनिट।
1 यूनिट। ओके, कहां पे पहुंचे?
2 पे।
दिस पॉइंट will represent 3 minus 2, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Is it clear?
यस
नोट बना के लिख लो यहाँ पे। सब्ट्रैक्शन
सर
जी,
ये सब क्या हम लोग अपना फेयर में भी लिखना है?
हाँ सारा जगह करना है और बुक के क्वेश्चन को भी करना। सब्ट्रैक्शन मींस मूव टुवर्ड्स वेयर? अंश, लेफ्ट और राइट? लेफ्ट। एडिशन मींस मूव टुवर्ड्स राइट।
राइट।
Is it clear?
यस सर।
Please write it. Shall I erase the screen?
यस सर।
Huh?
यस सर।
Naman, shall I erase the screen?
यस सर।
You have write it?
यस सर। थोड़ा सा आगे।
So please write it. Ans, where are you looking?
खिड़की पे।
Why? Your class is not outside the window. I am right or not?
सर
Yeah.
हो गया।
Okay. Shall I erase?
यस सर।
Okay. Now, after subtraction, what we will learn? We will learn about how to perform multiplication on a number line. Multiplication on a number line. Okay. देखो बेटा, सपोज करो 4 3 into 4 करते हैं, what will the result?
12.
12. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, what will the result?
12.
Huh?
12.
Naman?
Yes, sir. 12.
12. What is similar in first and 2?
Hello.
Is anything similar?
No, sir.
What?
4. Sir.
In the both the case, the result is same. Am I right or not?
Yes.
But we perform the different operation. In the first case, we will perform the multiplication, and in the second case, we will perform repeated addition. Okay, what we will perform? What we will perform?
Addition. Addition.
Which type of addition? Repeated addition. Okay.
Repeated addition. Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear. Sir.
And how many times this repeated addition is performed?
3 times.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
और किसका repeated addition कर रहे हैं? Repeated addition कर किसका रहे हैं बेटा?
सर रिपीटेड एडिशन हम लोग कर रहे हैं उसका
किसका कर रहे हैं? 3 का।
3 का।
तो रिपीटेड एडिशन किसका हो रहा है? 3 का। तो क्या हम बोल सकते हैं मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज रिपीटेड एडिशन?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन।
कैन वी से इट? Multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. Hans, can we say? Naman,
हेलो
तुम पहले अपना वीडियो ऑन करो तो। जब मैं पढ़ाऊं उस समय मत लिखा करो, लिखने का मैं टाइम दूंगा, ठीक है बेटा?
ओके सर।
ठीक है, अभी बताओ जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या होता है? रिपीटेड एडिशन होता है।
यस सर।
जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, रिपीटेड एडिशन किया, दोनों केस में रिजल्ट क्या आया बेटा मेरा? सेम आया।
दोनों केस में हम लोग आया
सेम आया ना? अब
यस
देखो,
सर।
जब 3 into 4 को नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना हो, कैसे करेंगे?
यस सर।
ये क्या है? एडिशन है, रिपीटेड एडिशन है। किधर मूव करेंगे?
यस सर।
किधर मूव करेंगे?
राइट साइड।
राइट। एडिशन मतलब राइट की ओर मूव करेंगे। इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर। यस सर।
नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है, ठीक है? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12। इज इट ओके?
11 12। यस सर।
अब देखो, हमको रिपीटेड एडिशन किसका किए थे?
सर हम लोग रिपीटेड एडिशन किए थे उसका। हेलो,
यहाँ पे देखो ना बेटा, तुम्हारा आवाज आ रहा है, बोलो ना।
3 का सर।
3 का।
3 का।
3 का रिपीटेड एडिशन किए थे। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 3 यूनिट मूव करेंगे। कितना यूनिट?
3 यूनिट।
3 यूनिट
0 से स्टार्ट।
किधर मूव करेंगे?
3 यूनिट
राइट। किधर मूव करेंगे?
राइट की ओर।
राइट की ओर।
3 यूनिट राइट।
कितने टाइम्स?
3।
हाउ मच टाइम्स?
3
4 times.
3
4 times. Why we'll move
4 times?
Because we have to multiply 4 into 3. हमको क्या करना बेटा?
यस सर।
4 को 3 में मल्टीप्लाई करना है। इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर। यस
अब
सर।
देखो, ये क्या है? चलो यहाँ देखो, ये क्या हुआ? 1 3 यूनिट हुआ।
1 3। यस सर। 1 2 3।
1 टाइम्स हुआ।
0। यस सर। 1 टाइम।
फिर यहाँ से क्या करना होगा?
फिर यहाँ से हम लोग को फिर 3 यूनिट आ गए।
ये कितना टाइम्स होगा?
2 टाइम। 2 टाइम्स।
फिर अब यहाँ से क्या करेंगे?
2 आ
3
जाएंगे।
यूनिट मूव करेंगे।
9 Yes,
9 पे पहुंचे, ये क्या हुआ 3 टाइम्स हुआ।
yes, sir.
फिर यहाँ से क्या करेंगे? हाँ बेटा, हाँ
3 यूनिट मूव करेंगे।
कितना टाइम्स, ये कितना टाइम्स हुआ, 4th टाइम हुआ।
Yes,
हमको मूव कितना टाइम्स था करना,
4 times.
ये क्या आया बेटा
मूव करना था 12
12।
लास्ट में आया।
तो ये क्या है
Yes, sir.
3 into 4 है,
Yes, sir.
12 आ गया। तो दिस पॉइंट
Yes,
will
sir.
represent 3 into 4 on the number line.
Yes,
Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Shall I repeat it?
No, sir. ठीक है।
Tell me, if we have to
ठीक
multiply
है, sir.
2 into 3, then what we will do?
We move 0 to 3 unit.
हाँ
0 से 2 यूनिट मूव करेंगे 3 बार।
3 बार मूव करें, कितना यूनिट?
2 यूनिट।
क्यों?
2
इसको
unit.
क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 + 2 + 2 कर सकते हैं।
Yes, sir.
ये क्या है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज रिपीटेड एडिशन। और एडिशन केस में हम लोग किधर मूव करते थे, राइट के केस में, ठीक है।
राइट
तो
केस में। यस सर।
2 यूनिट क्या करेंगे, 1 टाइम्स हुआ।
2 यूनिट। यस सर। 1
कितना टाइम्स हुआ बेटा, 1 टाइम्स।
1
कितने
टाइम।
टाइम्स मूव करना है,
3 टाइम।
हाँ
3 टाइम।
3 टाइम्स। ये क्या 1 टाइम्स, और कितने के इंटरवल
times.
पे,
हाँ
कितने के इंटरवल पे,
2
2 के। फिर क्या करेंगे, 2 यूनिट फिर मूव करेंगे, क्या हुआ सेकेंड टाइम्स।
2 टाइम्स।
am I right or not?
यस सर।
ये कितना हुआ, 3rd टाइम्स। हमको कितना बार मूव करना बेटा,
3 टाइम। 3 टाइम्स।
कितना बार मूव करना है,
3 टाइम्स।
3 टाइम्स।
3 टाइम्स।
रिजल्ट क्या आया,
6।
6। तो जब हमको 2 into 3 करना है ऑन ए नंबर लाइन, कैसे करेंगे, समझ में आ गया।
यस सर।
हाँ जी नमन,
यस सर। समझ
have
गए।
you understand it or I will repeat it?
यस सर। ये नहीं सर, ठीक है
Please
सर।
write it.
इसको लिख ले।
Yes, please write it on your notebook. Ans, you have any doubt?
नो सर।
First you go through the previous video lecture, okay?
यस।
I will send the link, okay, in your
Yes.
WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, okay?
यस सर।
Naman, have you write it?
सर लिखिए रहिए।
Please write it.
यस। यस सर, हो गया। हो गया सर।
Okay.
यस सर।
Now your class end, okay? You have any doubt?
नो सर।
Okay. division we will study in the next class. Okay, Ans, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, shall I complete?
Yes, sir.
Shall I close the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, goodbye
Yes,
everyone.
Bye,
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Please go through the book, okay, and solve the problem. Okay.
Yes. सर बुक में हम लोग आगे बढ़ते रहे बुक में।
पहले ये तो समझ लो, तुमको ये भी नहीं था, पहले इसका क्वेश्चन करके ग्रुप में सेंड करना, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
जो आज पढ़ाया हूँ इससे रिलेटेड जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा सॉल्व करके सेंड करना।
ठीक है।
बाय।